cos 3x cos 2x dx. Now we have to do multiply and divide by 2. Why we have to multiply and divide by 2? Here 2 causes are there, but there is any 2 here. To apply this formula, we want 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay, that's why we are multiplying and dividing by 2. 2 by 2 integral cos 3x cos 2x dx. Then 2 will become inside of the integral, 1 by 2 cos 3x cos 2x dx. We have to compare with formula. 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay, we already said in previous videos. Please go and see that video and come here, you can understand easily. Okay, now we have to convert this form to this form. Okay, 1 by 2 integral cos A 3x plus A and 3x, B and 2x, 3x plus 2x plus cos 3x minus 2x dx. Then of integral cos 5x plus cos x dx. Now we have to write separately of integral cos 5x dx. Okay, cos 5x dx plus of integral cos x dx. We know from the integration formula, integral cos x dx means sin x plus c. Then cos ax dx means sin ax by a plus c. Okay, we know that, and we can write this is compare this formula to this formula. It is same. Cos a means here 5. Okay, of sin 5x by 5 plus of sin x plus c. Okay, this is the solution of this question. Next one.